So, by now you must have heard the word Bitcoin 1,000 times. You know some people got rich in 2017 during the first Bitcoin boom. So you went ahead and read all the books you could find about Bitcoin, and also went to YouTube and saw all the videos regarding Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. But how exactly do you buy Bitcoins? In Canada, it is possible to buy Bitcoins by using bitbuy.ca. It's available on both desktop and mobile. All you have to do is go onto bitbuy.ca to get started. The first step is to sign up to create a new account. During this process, you can use the referral code to get $20 once you make your first $250 deposit. You are all set up. Now it's time to sign into your account. Once you open your account, you will have to type in a two-way code which is sent to you by mobile. Once your account is open, you have access to your dashboard where all your coins are listed. So go ahead and click on Add Funds to add money into your account. You have two ways of adding money to your wallet. The first way is to use Interact e-Transfer, and the second way is to use a wire transfer. So go ahead and click on Interact e-Transfer. You have to read and accept the conditions, and next type in the amount you want to process. So you have to enter a minimum of $100 for each transaction. Next, you have to add the address to which you have to send the money, and also copy the memo message. Back into your bank, you have to enter the information and make sure you enter the memo message that was sent to you. Confirm your request and send. Once your transfer is complete, you will receive an email for confirmation, and then you can refresh your page to make sure you have your funds in your account. Next, click on Pro Trade to view a more advanced page for your trading, and here you can make limit orders. So now you can choose all available funds by clicking on the 100% to buy your Bitcoins. Once it's done, on the left you can see your transaction in the market history, and on the right you can see your order history. Now back in your page, you have your Bitcoins available in your wallet. Congratulations. So you made your first deposit and you bought your first Bitcoin. Hopefully this keeps on growing and you become a crypto millionaire.